Assalamu alaikum. My name is Sayyid Abdul Salam.
My name is Sheikh Umar Ahmed Miraj.
My name is Mohammad Akmal Siddiqui.
My name is Sheikh Dalat. My name is Muhammad Abdul Umar.
And we are from Don High School, Malakpet. So today our project title is This is Uphill. This model shows you how can a robot can climb incline using powered wheels and control programming. In this, the main goal to build This is Uphill is to design and program a robot of Lego Education Spike Prime that can climb incline without slipping or losing balance. It illustrates the transfer of energy from electric to potential as well as to kinetic energy. This project demonstrates with robotics, physics and coding and integrate with solving real world challenges like slope navigation and the stability of the vehicles. The components used in this are the Lego Education Spike Prime hub, acts like a brain or heart of the model, and the medium angular motor for the powered wheels and control programming as well as for the speed and the torque. And we are having Technic beams, Technic frames for the stability and the structure of the robot. Now let's see a demonstration.
You're talking about potential energy. Let's talk something potential energy. Is it going to be maximum or
Now my friend Abdul Umar will continue the graph.
So as you have seen, as soon as we started our programming, the graph also started to plot. This is line-based graph which has two colors. Means the blue color indicates the pitch angle and the red colors indicates the motor power used while moving on flat surface and as well as on inclined surfaces. When we are moving on flat surfaces, the pitch angle is also normal and the motor power is also less because there is no uneven surface or terrain. When we start climbing on inclined surfaces, the gravitational pull resists it, so we have to use more motor power. Thank you. Now my friend Umair will continue.
So, the science concept used in this model is directly connected with science, especially with physics. While making this model, we have explored a concept named friction, which helps the tire to make the grip on the surface while climbing the hill. Through this, we also learn about the forces and motion. The robot needs enough forward force to climb uphill, and the topic in this we have the main key is the motors, and the hub is the main key that the motors convert the electrical energy into mechanical energy and provides it to the tire to climb uphill easily. Through this model we have learned many more important scientific ideas or concepts like forces, motion and the energies and forces. So hope you like it. Thank you.
Mathematical concepts. Mathematics form the backbone of our programming. We use trigonometrical relations to calculate slope angle. It helps determine how much motor power is needed. We also measure speed and distance by using motor rotations and time. So that we can know how far our model moves. In programming, we applied if-else conditions and loops. For example, if the slope gets steeper, we have to increase motor power. If the slope gets flattened, we have to reduce motor power. We even tested a proportional control system where the robot adjusts speed automatically by using sensors, keeping it balanced and moving forward smoothly. Thank you. Now my friend Dawes will explain you about real-life applications.
Let us understand the application behind our uphill project used in real time. Transportation system. Vehicles such as cars, trucks and trains use similar torque and friction management while climbing uphill. Robotics and automation. Robots in factories or delivery services also need slope handling abilities like our model is utilizing here. Wheelchair and ramp design. To make a smart wheelchair, we need to understand the aids of uphill for pass these inclined ramps smoothly like our model did right now here. Mars rovers and exploration robots. Mars rovers and exploration robots also need to face uneven terrain. To fix it, we require same uphill stability like our model utilizes here and sensor control. Thank you. Now my friend Mohammad Umar will continue about STEM integration.
So, STEM education integrates to create a perfect learning experience with robotics and problem solving. Our project, This is Uphill, is a perfect example of that. So STEAM means science, technology, engineering, arts and mathematics. It is achieving all the goals of STEAM education. Like physical science, it is using all the physical science principles, just like motion, friction, etc. Technology, we are using Lego Education Spike Prime Kit, which consists of motors and sensors. Like this, we are incorporating with technology. Now, engineering. Engineering plays a crucial role in our model making as well as testing it. You have to create a sturdy base so that it can climb or incline surfaces. Arts. Creative thinking and aesthetic thinking is very necessary for designing our model and presenting it. Now, at last, mathematic concepts. As my friend Akmam told you, we have to do the coding according to the angles and distance and speed, etc. Thank you. Hope you like it.